Good morning, students. This is the 15th and the last part of chapter 5 of second book, Parties and Party System in India. Yesterday we have discussed about the elections of 1971, and now we will discuss about the nature of restored Congress. But before this, I must tell you something more about 1971. After winning the Lok Sabha election in 1971, Indira Gandhi and Congress became popular in India. But immediately a military crisis occurred in India, and India had to fight a war with Pakistan on the issue of East Pakistan. Now this is known as Bangladesh. And in that war, India won. Under the leadership of Indira Gandhi, India won that war against Pakistan. This event also added the popularity of Indira Gandhi. Even opposition leaders also admired her leadership. And after some time, the elections were held in the State Assembly in 1972, and in 1967, Congress lost the government in 9 states. You remember? In 1972, when the elections were held for state legislative assemblies, then again she won the elections in most of the state. Now she was seen not only as the protector of the poor, she was seen not only the protector of underprivileged, but she was seen as strong nationalist leader. She got the praise from opposition, she got the praise from the members of her party and outside party also. So with these two successive election victories of center as well as state, center and state, now the Congress was restored, which the Congress has lost in 1967. Now the Congress was restored within 4 years under the leadership of Mrs. Indira Gandhi. And Mrs. Indira Gandhi was also responsible for the dominant position of Congress. But students, now this restored Congress nature was different from the nature of early Congress. How it was different? Now this Congress was totally depend upon supreme leader, that is Indira Gandhi. It was called at that time that Indira is Congress. There was supremacy of Indira Gandhi. One more difference between this Congress and early Congress, that early Congress was having strong organizational structure, but this Congress was having weak organizational structure. Earlier I have told you that there was factions in the Congress, but because of tolerance all the factions remain in Congress. But now this new Congress has less faction. There was no place of faction. There was lack of opinion and interest. Earlier there were people of different interest and different ideology and different opinion, but this new restored Congress was different. This new Congress also not having capacity to absorb all the tension and conflict. Earlier the Congress system was known for absorbing it, there was tolerance. But now the Congress was not having the capacity. Means there was one women show, one ideology was there which was told by Indira Gandhi. There was no place for democracy within the party, and expressions of people aspiration shrank. Whatever is told by Indira Gandhi, that was blindly followed by the people of Congress. People, members of Congress could not express their aspirations. As I have told you, Indira is Congress at that time. So, in these ways, this nature of restored Congress was different from the early Congress. That's all for this chapter, and tomorrow we will meet again with new chapter. Till then, goodbye. Take good care of yourself.